Okay, now give 3 disadvantages to the individual when macros is controlled by.
One could
One. Okay, anyone?
Oh, sorry, I was muted. Yeah. First one, they can like they tend to like they make people lazy and like they depend on their devices
Okay,
and they can lose household skills.
yes, you are right. Okay, household skills. Okay, anything? Okay, we can see that. Number one dependency, you told us. Okay, over reliance on technology may lead to reduced practical skills. Okay, and self sufficiency, as you told. Privacy concern, smart devices may collect personal data, raising privacy and security risk. Okay, hacker can access your private data. Sedentary lifestyle, increased screen time, and automation may lead to reduced physical activity and health issues. You got it? Yes, Umar, you got it?
Uh, Sorry, I was muted. Yes, I got it.
Now see this one.
Mhm. The advantages could be that uh what do you say? We can use an ergonomic mouse and a keyboard to reduce RSI
Okay.
and an ergonomic chair too. So like it can reduce neck pain or back pain
Okay.
and use LCD instead of like old those monitors to like reduce that I that FTL4 yeah and oh yeah and wait one second and we can use tiltable like screens to like to prevent neck strain and the disadvantages could be that uh that if we yeah one more that we can tilt the screen it will be like we won't be able to see clearly and the oh yeah and the equipment will be like expensive and costly
Yes.
and to like easily by taking breaks every hour or every 2 hours can easily like help you instead of like buying all the switches and
Okay. Okay, we can see that. Now see this one. First one you have told us uh, ergonomic setup. So using an ergonomic chair, adjustable desk, and proper monitor height can improve posture
yes
and reduce strain on the wrist, neck, and back. Okay, you have to explain also. Okay, first you have to identify, then you have to explain. Regular break, taking short breaks, and stretching every hour will help reduce eye strain and what we say
mus
muscle
muscular
muscle
skeletal
issues. Okay, blue light filter. So implying blue light filter on the screen minimizes eye strain and disruption of sleep. Uh, what we say?
yes
Okay. So disadvantage cost. So one of the disadvantages cost. Some ergonomic equipment can be expensive. Okay. Inconvenience, frequent breaks may disrupt work flow. That is another problem. Adaptation, implementing new habit may require time and effort. This will. You understand this one? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now see this one. So there are potential security issues when using microprocessor control device in the home. Describe these issues and explain how they can be mitigated. Okay. So what do you say? What do you say?
Sorry, the microprocessors can be like complex to maybe operate for certain people, and like they cannot understand it, which the like for example hackers can take advantage of. And what is there? And uh, one
Okay.
second, I'm thinking.
Should I tell?
What could be?
Now see this one. Okay. Potential
Oh,
security issues with microprocessor control device in the home include hacking, data breaches, and unauthorized access. So mitigation involve using a strong password, keeping devices and firmware up to date, enabling two-factor authentication, using secure Wi-Fi network, and choosing a reputable brand with robust security measures. So regular security audits and avoiding sharing sensitive information on unsecured platforms further enhance protection. You got this one?
yeah, yeah.
Now see this one. Okay, what about first one?
I'm reading also.
Okay,
Okay, the using microprocessor has increased the longevity of devices. The longevity of. Can you explain this, like, please?
no, it says using microprocessor has increased the longevity, long life of devices in the home, therefore reducing waste. It says
Oh,
it true or false?
true, I guess.
Yeah, true. You are right. True. So next one.
Energy efficient mean like they use less energy, yeah?
No, it says far more energy efficient. Microprocessor controlled devices are far mean on a distance more energy efficient. Is it true? It means microprocessors are not energy efficient. The meaning of this sentence.
Oh, what does energy efficient mean? Like,
Energy means they are saving the energy. They are not using more energy. But far means away. Far means away.
by the way, the second last one is like false. The
Second,
microprocessor controller in the home.
this one.
And the last one, such as that's also false.
Okay.
Uh, uh, Labor-saving device
Hmm?
are an example. Isn't that first smartphone is like smart television is not an example, yeah?
No, it says smart television are an example of labor-saving devices.
Is
Do you agree?
uh I think that is I mean labor-saving device are something which help from annual that falls, right?
No, it's true.
Because television don't
It's true.
but
Basically,
television don't carry out any task for you.
no. Basically, it says smart television. Okay. Basically, you don't need to have a make effort, right, to run the internet, to operate the internet. Okay, kind of that.
Okay.
What about second?
And that is false.
False. Yes, you are right. Here you can see this answer in description form. Okay. All answers are true. Or further, you can see this one. Now
Okay.
you can go through.
Okay, I'm going. Okay, I'm done.
Done. You understand this one? Labor saving.
Yeah, I do.
So now you got it.
I,
Remotely, this can save people time and effort. Using remote control. Okay.
sorry?
I mean, using remote control. So it saves your time.
Yeah, okay. Yes,
Now
it can
this one.
save.
Too quickly.
Name given to driverless uh, uh vehicles that is autonomous.
Okay, good.
Uh type of intelligent road sign used to monitor and control road traffic. Smart. Uh so automatic smart. Seamless control.
No, you have read right now. Smart.
Smart.
Yeah, used to monitor and control. It is written book.
Okay, and that is cyber criminal.
Cyber criminal. Yes. Where is? Okay.
And that is health, the name of the type of risk, and that is repetitive,
Enough.
meaning of
Okay.
da.
This one. Okay. Enough for today. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So you are ready for test.
Sorry?
Tomorrow you have test. I mean, you are ready for test.
Tomorrow or Sunday? Yeah, I think I have test.
Okay. Okay. Allah Hafiz. See you next class.
Sorry?
See you next class. I mean, Allah Hafiz.
Okay, yeah, sure. Allah Hafiz.